Hey guys, it's Natural Hair 314 coming to you with another video. And this time it's unboxing video for Regalico wax warmer kit. So I'm going to just show you what came in the box and what else I got for the kit. So let's go. So this is the box that it came in. You can see. You can see. And it has the steps on how to use it right here on the box. Okay. And this is what came in the box. You got your wax warmer pot. This is the pot to put the wax beads in or whatever kind of wax you're going to use. And it goes all the way up to 240 for its temperature wise. The top goes back on. And of course, the plug. Okay. And here's the bags of wax beads that came with it. Says new formula, 3.5 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags came in the kit. That's pretty good. And then you get your spatulas to put the wax on you. You got your large, and then you got your small for the face. And then, of course, you get the instructions. And then something that did not say that it was going to come, but it came anyway. What is this? After wax treatment spray. And then before wax treatment spray. So I think that's pretty good. And then I also got satin smooth non-woven waxing cloth roll, a cloth roll to get the wax off with, so I won't have to peel it off myself. So yeah. Well, there you go. So uh, I'll show a video when I'm doing my eyebrows and face, and we will see how it works out together. So this is everything. Well, this didn't come in a kit. This is I bought this separately, of course. But everything else, this is what came in the kit. All right. You guys have a nice day. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.